Guys, we have an official exclusive first look at ONVO L60. We'll come back to this in a bit, but more shockingly, last week there were apparently as many orders for NIO as Li Auto and Xiaomi and moomoo, which is basically Huawei. And it is reported that within NIO themselves, all right, it is rumored that the orders were actually higher than Li Auto. So this is something that's crazy. More orders than Li Auto. Can you imagine that? And by the way, this is locked in orders, all right? So people are locking in their orders, meaning that they could be taking delivery of their vehicles in the next 1 to 3 weeks. That would be amazing to see NIO deliver more cars than Li Auto. If that's truly the case, that would be spectacular, guys. So the pullback is over and we are short squeezing. Now this right here, this is an official actual screenshot of the ONVO L60. The past couple days, some content creators have had access to film the ONVO L60 car, and this guy, he is actually one of them. His name is Yumoge. He's actually very famous within the NIO community here in China, and somehow this got leaked when it shouldn't have. But everybody's talking about the color. Man, this just looks so damn good. If you think it looks good, if you think ONVO L60 looks good, give me a thumbs up, man. Let me know you also agree on the design. Design looks spectacular. But here we got some better photos of the car taken when they were filming promo videos for this car. You can see the nice big horizontal screen, the overall design. Very nice looking car. Looks pretty damn sexy. And this is it compared to a Model Y, and you can see it shares similar shape, but clearly I would give the win to the L60 in terms of design. I mean, the Model Y has a outdated design, kind of looks old, to be honest. But what do you guys think? You guys gotta let me know. Now guys, it seems that the pullback is over and we are going to continue squeezing on to $10, and I'm going to tell you what I think, how things will pan out. So tomorrow we get insurance registrations. On Wednesday we get ONVO launch, and then very soon we could get pre-order numbers as well. But also with NIO's orders exploding as well, we could expect very good insurance registrations for the following few weeks, and also deliveries into June. So June 1st, when we get deliveries for May, we could also see very good numbers with like 200+% year-over-year growth. That's going to really just boost stock up to maybe $10 a share. All right. And it does seem like we have this pullback that's completed. And so we had this run, epic run from 3.63 all the way up to 6.04-ish. And then I talked about, even 2 weeks ago, I talked about how when we were over here, 5.57-ish, I talked about, hey, we're at risk of a pullback. And we did indeed pull back. And if we look at the pullback, you know, we just barely got below the 38.2% pullback. This is the pullback area. I was really hoping that we could pull back a little bit deeper, but it seems like NIO stock is way too bullish. All right, so we pulled back, and this is good enough for a pullback. All right, we don't have to go down to a 50% pullback or 61.8% pullback. This is just fine. All right, and we can continue the short squeeze going up. And something very interesting happened. So if you look at NIO stock right now, all right, if you take a look over here, what we have today, we have actually what looks like a bullish pennant. All right, so we got this is the flagpole, and then this is the pennant itself. Today we've broken above it. All right, so that just means, so let me draw the bottom of the pennant just for you guys to have a good visual of it. All right, so this would be like the bottom of the pennant, so to speak. So yeah, we got this bullish move up, and then today we broke above it, and we should pretty much stay above 5 from now on out. I'm gonna call it, in my personal opinion, we're gonna see all green ahead. All right, this is just my personal opinion. And if we take a measured move of this bullish pennant, where does that lead us? All right, yeah, I know the chart's a little bit messy. Let me make it a little bit thicker for you guys. This bullish pennant will take us up to $7-ish. All right, $7-ish is of course our first target. Second target is all the way up at $10-ish. I think we can get up to $10, no problem. All right, no problem about getting up to $10. And, you know, the pullback was kind of painful. You know, some people are saying, hey, it's over. No, it's not over. Reading the chat board, some people saying, oh, it's over. No, no, no. All right, just a healthy pullback to work off the overbought readings that we had over here. And then we actually got oversold on Friday, right? Over on Friday, the RSI reading came below 30, which is oversold. All right, so how crazy is that? We were oversold on Friday, and well, it looks like now we are just exploding up. And even if you go into the smaller time frame, this is pretty interesting. If you zoom into the 5-minute time frame, we actually have a 5-minute bullish pennant, bullish wedge, as of recording this video during lunchtime Eastern time. So we could possibly see that at the end of the day this rally even more. All right, so it is just extremely bullish. We got so many catalysts going forward. All right, more orders than Li Auto, man, that is really gonna just shock shareholders to the bone. You know, you guys are getting this early from me, but you know, once that actually prints on paper, whew, man, everybody's gonna be shocked. Everybody's going to be very shocked. And ONVO L60, that car just seems like it has no flaws, man. That car has no flaws. There's nothing that you can pick out. All right? It's got everything. It's got everything. And they're probably going to open up pre-orders. And today, actually, they had the IML6 launch, official launch with the pricing and everything, and they really sweetened up the pre-order incentives. So it could be very possible that NIO has a very killer incentive, a pre-order incentive, that if you pre-order the car, you might get like a lot of perks. And yeah, I'm thinking that we could get maybe at least, all right, 20,000 is the minimum, bare minimum. We could get 50,000 orders. And I told the guys at NIO, I said, hey, I hope you guys get 50,000 pre-orders. But if we get 100,000 pre-orders, how critical would that be? What is that going to do to the stock? 50,000 is amazing. 100,000 pre-orders, that's probably going to send the stock up like 10, 20%, 30% in one day, man. Crazy. And it's possible. It's very, very possible. People are waiting for this car. People are talking about this car. Here in China, people are talking about this car. People are waiting for this car. People don't care about like other car launches right now. They're all waiting for the pricing. Well, pricing won't be released when this launches, but we'll get to see the car officially unveiled, right? And NIO stock, I mean, no doubt that it's going to go up further. We got so many bullish catalysts. Just hold on, guys. This was all just, you know, bait for the shorts. Shorts were baited in. All right, just hold on. Sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. All right? And don't risk selling out too early. All right? If you feel like selling, sell. Right? There could always be a possibility that the stock corrects or crashes down. But you also have to think about the risk of having the stock rally and you've sold out of your position. So think about that. All right, think about that. Can you sit tight when the stock rallies and you sold out of your position, right? So in my opinion, you know, we're gonna go at least 7 up to 10. I'm pretty confident about 10. All right, I'm pretty confident about 10. Okay, so just sit back, relax, watch the movie, watch the shorts get obliterated. It's gonna be a nice show. All right, and let's hope that numbers tomorrow are gonna be fantastic. They will most likely be fantastic. So as always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to like and share.